Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the ultimate source for the chillest, most colorful 70s hippie look in DTI. So if you're ready to win that retro piece and 70s theme in DTI, you can just follow as I recreate this look. Now let's just get started. So for starter, for the hairstyle, I'm using this straight hair combined with this lock hair. And for the color, you can just choose the one that you prefer. And then I'm going to put on this bandana as the hair accessory. And I'm going to change the color to brown combined with orange like this. Now let's put on the top first. So for the top, I'm going to use this one in here. For the color, I'm using this orange flower pattern. Then I'm going to put on this candles in here and use this brown color. And let's put on the flare jeans. Here I'm going to use this pattern for the color, and for the pattern I'm going to leave it as it is. Now for the flower, I'm going to use green. And then I'm going to use this necklace right here for the accessory, and also I'm going to put on the glasses, this heart shaped glasses in here, and use orange and brown for the color. This, and then you can also put on this sling bag for the accessory. Now I'm going to just head to the dressing room. First, let's go to the Valentine's chest, and I'm going to use this bracelet in here, change the color, and last item, I'm going to use the dress from the currency tab, this dress in here, toggle it into skirt only. Now change the first color using the same pattern like the pants. The next one, I'm going to use this beige color. So now this will be the final look for 70s hippie in DTI. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next DTI tutorial.